I'm Harry. I'll be making a ginger flip cocktail. 1 whole egg, 60 ml of brandy, 20 ml of ginger liqueur, 20 ml of double cream. Served in a coupe glass, add all ingredients to a mixing tin. The flip is one of the earliest recorded mixed drinks, dating back to at least the late 17th century. Add ice and shake. Double strain into a chilled coupe glass. And grate nutmeg to garnish. I like the smell of nutmeg. Ginger flip, 1 whole egg, 60 ml of brandy, 60 ml of, oh no, I need to get the egg.
Chris, that's it.
That still looks so bad. That's on.
Fantastic.
I don't know about the beer poker. Or the hot poker.
Goodbye.
I don't know.